if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, just keep watching. It's been my go-to concealer for my eyelid. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. I want to start off by taking Filling Myself, which is this coal matte eyeshadow, and just pop that in my crease area. Take No Joke, which is this yellow matte eyeshadow, and just pop it on top of the crease color. Just a little. Let's see. And basically what I'm doing with this yellow eyeshadow, just blending out my top part of my the first eyeshadow, because you don't want any creases, harsh lines. And if some of the eyeshadow disappear, you can always go back and reapply it. To deepen up the crease area, I want to take Tipsy Girl, which is kind of like a pink purplish color, and it's a matte shade. So I'm gonna apply that in my crease area. So once you get your desired color, then you can go back in and just blend it out. I'm just take a more fluffy brush and just go around the edges and just blend out the eyeshadow. Let's take Dance Party and just deepen up the outer corner area. I want to take Drama Queen and Ride or Diamond. So basically it's going to be this color and this color. So I'm just going to mix the two. Just to get in the tight corners. Take a little of Oh Hello, which is this color here, and just apply in the outer corner, just to deepen it up just a little. So basically what I'm doing is taking a color and patting it and sweeping it in, so that way we don't have any harsh lines in between these two colors. Kitten Karma, it looks like this. Just to give me a little razzle dazzle, just pop it right here. For eyeliner, I'm using the Fenty eyeliner, the liquid black, because I'm black. Done Lilly lashes in Mykonos. For some reason this eyelash is giving me such a problem in the inner corner. The Milk Hydro Primer. This is also one of my favorite primers. It kind of gives off that sticky, tacky feeling. The next product I'm using is a Kevyn Aucoin concealer in 10 and 12. Take the end of your beauty blender and just blend out the edges, so that way you won't have any harsh lines around your concealer. Okay, and then I'm taking the shade number 10 and just apply just a small amount, but right there. Because I just want the inner corner just to be a little bit brighter. Taking my Ben Nye banana pattern and just press it into my skin. gonna take the same eyeshadow color that I applied in my crease, and to darken it up, I'm taking the eyeshadow that I darkened up the outer corner and just apply it just halfway in. So I'm pretty much just repeating the same step I used in my crease area. A contour stick, I'm using a Fenty Espresso. Taking my foundation brush just to buff it out. MAC Mineralize Face Powder in Dark Deep. And it's Whistle While You Work. Twerk. Artist Contour Time. And I just like to take it in the top with my beauty blender. Just dab it on the back of my hand. And then apply it on my forehead. Let's dip into a bougie color here. So I'm using MAC Cork and MAC Chestnut. Huda Beauty Nude Lipstick in Interview. MAC Myth Lipstick. Fenty Lip Gloss and Sweetmouth, and just add it just in the center. Anastasia, the ABH Brow Gel. At the finishing touch, the Decay All Setting Spray.